The earth element includes the other four basic elements. It takes the other four elements and it contains them. It somehow causes them to cohese and to be able to travel across each other. So the earth element is very necessary in order for the energy, not only inside your own body, but the way your body interacts with the energy all around it. When the earth element is strong in a person, they can easily generate continuity, mental stillness, and clear meditative states much easier if they can't. Now, the earth element is very important for forming stable relationships. Human beings actually cooperating and living together with all the stresses and strains that society and just the energy of the earth is producing is a difficult thing. But the earth element is what congeals everything that's inside you. And so it is an important component in the ability to have long-term relationships that are not just long-term because of force, of free will, if you want to call it. When any human being becomes more in contact with it, they start becoming in more contact with this planet that we live on. And anything that will make the earth element in you more smooth and connected will make your ability to handle external forces of any kind better. We're living in a time when people are not that stabilized. They're not in contact with the earth. They're not in contact with the energies of the earth. They're not able to see things as they exist over time, which is a major quality of what the energy of the earth does. It's been around long before any of us showed up, and it will be around long after we go. And there is something about that continuity that settles the insides of people. And at one level, mastering the earth element begins to start giving you a very strong sense of how to work with the effects of gravity on your body, which are considerable. So with that being said, I'll be doing a workshop on the earth element, and everyone's welcome to come, and thank you very much.